Namaste everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Dr.Abhishek Kumar. Today we are going to learn about the glycogen storage disease with little summary of glycogen metabolism. Please subscribe, like and share this video with your friend if you want to help them in their studies. So what is glycogen storage disease? It is a metabolic defect concerned with the glycogen synthesis and degradation are collectively referred as glycogen storage disease. This disorder are characterized by deposition of normal or abnormal type of glycogen in one or more tissues in our body. Here the glucose converted to glucose 6-phosphate. This is reversible reaction. Here the coenzyme hexokinase is used, mainly present in muscle, and enzyme glucose 6-phosphatase, which is present in liver and kidney. If the absence or deficiency of glucose 6-phosphatase enzyme lead to von Wiesen's disease, if I not pronounce correctly, you can check the spelling. Von Wiesen's disease. Von Wiesen's disease is due to the deficiency of glucose 6-phosphatase, which is mainly present in the endoplasmic reticulum. Biochemical manifestation and clinical sign: glycogen accumulate in hepatocyte and renal cell, enlarged liver and kidney, fasting hypoglycemia, lactic acidemia, hyperlipidemia, ketosis, and gouty arthritis are the clinical sign. Here you can see enlarged kidney, enlarged liver, hyperlipidemia, ketosis, don't get confused with the ketoacidosis, gouty arthritis, uric acid crystal you can see swelling. Now glucose 6-phosphate will convert into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, which will further lead to lactate formation. Glucose 6-phosphate will convert into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate with the help of enzyme phosphofructokinase. Phosphofructokinase, if the deficiency of enzyme phosphofructokinase, will lead to second disease that is known as Cori's disease. TARUI''S, Cori's disease. Biochemical manifestation and clinical sign: hemolytic anemia, this is the clinical sign, and muscle cramp you can see, hemolysis, you can see the picture of muscle cramp in the calf muscle here. Now glucose 6-phosphate will convert into glucose 1-phosphate. Now glucose 1-phosphate will convert into UDP, uridine diphosphate glucose. UTP will release into organic phosphate, that is PPI. Now UDP glucose will convert into the glycogen unbranched alpha 1,4 bond. Here the primer convert to UDP. Enzyme used here is glycogen synthase, which convert UDP glucose into the glycogen unbranched. Now glycogen unbranched will convert into glycogen alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 bonds. Enzyme use is Glucosyl 4,6 transferase, Glucosyl 4,6 transferase. Deficiency of enzyme Glucosyl 4,6 transferase in red color will lead to third disease, which is called Anderson's disease. Anderson disease is also known as myelopectinosis, amylopectinosis, or Anderson disease. Here we can see the biochemical manifestation and clinical sign. Cirrhosis of liver is a clinical sign, and impairment in liver functions. Here you can see the cirrhosis of liver in the picture and impairment of the liver function. Now glycogen unbranched alpha 4,6 bond will convert into the glucose plus oligosaccharides. Here the lysosomal alpha glucosidase enzyme is used, which convert the glycogen unbranched alpha 1,4 bond to glucose plus oligosaccharide. If the deficiency of lysosomal alpha glucosidase will lead to fourth disease, that is called Pompous disease. Pompous disease is due to the deficiency of lysosomal alpha glucosidase. The biochemical manifestation is the lysosomal alpha glucosidase, and now you can see the clinical sign and biochemical manifestation. So you can see the enlarged liver and heart. This is the clinical sign, and affect the nervous system, and death occur at an early age due to the heart failure. Glycogen accumulate in lysosomes in almost all the tissues. In picture you can see enlarged liver, cardiomegaly, you can see enlarged heart and normal heart, you can see heart attack, and it also affect the nervous system of our body. Till now we've seen the glycogenesis, that is a glycogen synthesis from the glucose and all the enzymatic defect which causes the disease. Now we'll see the glycogenolysis, that is glycogenolysis is glycogen degradation. Now glycogen will convert to limit dextrine, and it releases the free glucose, which is called glucose 1 phosphate. With the help of enzyme glycogen phosphorylase, the enzyme which convert the glycogen into the limit dextrine. If the deficiency of glycogen phosphorylase will lead to fifth disease, which is mainly in the muscles, McArdle's disease. If I not pronounce correctly, sorry for that. McArdle's disease. So we can see the biochemical manifestation is due to the glycogen phosphorylase. Now we will see the clinical sign. The muscle glycogen is stored very high, not available during the exercise. Blood lactate and pyruvate do not increase after the exercise. Here the calf muscle tear, the muscle may get damaged. Here the muscle cramp, a person can suffer from the muscle cramp and cannot perform a strenuous exercise. The sixth disease, mainly in the liver, is called Hirsch disease. This is also due to the glycogen phosphorylase. Clinical signs are liver damage, hypoglycemia, and ketosis are the clinical sign. Here the enlarged liver hypoglycemia, anxiety, sweating and hungry, some of these symptom low, and all the ketosis. Now the limit dextrin will convert into the glucose phosphate and releases the free glucose. Here the enzyme amylo alpha 1,6 glucosidase enzyme is used. Amylo alpha 1,6 glucosidase is used. It is also called as debranching enzyme. If the deficiency of amylo alpha 1,6 glucosidase will lead to seventh disease, which is known as Cori's disease. It is also known as Pompous disease and limit dextrinosis. Clinical sign will see enlarged liver, same, and clinical manifestations are similar but milder compared to the von Willebrand's disease. This complete the glycogen storage disease with little summary of glycogen metabolism. All the von Willebrand's disease, storage disease, Anderson's disease, Pompous disease, McArdle's disease, Hers disease and Cori's disease. Thank you very much to watch our video so patiently. Please do like, subscribe and share our channel with your friend if you really want to help them. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Thank you.